What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Let's get right into it. Today I'm going to be talking about the company MSCI. Stock ticker is the same. It reports Q1 earnings on the 28th of this month, so put that on your calendar. Make sure to be on the lookout for that. So a little bit about the company. It provides investment decision support to institutional investing in equity and fixed income. You can go ahead and see the percent of companies that it is working with. Let's go ahead and check out the weekly chart. The weekly chart, you can go ahead and see actually that the company is getting into new highs. I believe the high of its 52-week high is roughly around 322, 333. I can't remember off the top of my head. But you can definitely see that it's getting ready to break out. If it can get above that resistance level. Taking a look at a daily chart, I actually just kind of drew there's some trend lines I've seen for those who are interested in technical analysis. And I actually have it, if you can get above 325, right? Just looking at the volume, if you can break out with huge volume around like 325, I think it's an aggressive entry that somebody can make. You can go ahead and place a little bit of shares. But I definitely see that as being an aggressive entry that somebody can take if you're looking to go ahead and use technical analysis to go ahead and start placing a position into the company or into the stock. It's definitely above its 50-day moving average, which is 290. All right, just want to go ahead and move on to the financial statements, taking a look at the 3-year annualized growth. Revenue has been growing at 10%, operating income 15%, net income 29%, return on assets 14.85%, net margin 36%. Taking a look at the income statement, we can go ahead and see actually that the cost of goods sold, so right around 2014, it just decreased dramatically by 6%. And it has been, I'd say, roughly decreasing ever since, which has been helping its operating margin to increase. And I left this here for you guys. So if you take a look at the table at the bottom, you guys can go ahead and take a look at that. We're going to move on to the balance sheet. Taking a look at the balance sheet, we can see the financial health of the company. Quick ratio is 2.2. Current ratio is 2.3. Interest coverage ratio is 5. You guys can go ahead and take a look at that as well. The current assets is $2 billion. Net PPE is $260 million. Current liabilities is $900 million. Long-term debt and capital lease, you guys, it's all the way down at the bottom, is 3.24 or 3.25 approximately billion dollars. So we're going to move on to the cash flow statement. So taking a look at the cash flow statement, investing activities, CapEx was $50 million. Taking a look at the financing activities, the company repurchased common stock of $290 million, and net total issuance of long-term debt, which is the issuance of new debt minus the repayment of old existing debt. So the company raised $1 billion of new debt, and it paid off approximately $510 million worth of existing debt. So that's why net issuance of long-term debt is $490 million. And the company paid a cash dividends of $220 million. So that's it, guys. That's it for the video today. The company MSCI is used as a global benchmark that institutions use to track and see how just the global index is doing. Once again, you guys, please just like, comment, subscribe. It definitely helps with the YouTube algorithm and also helps me creating better content for you guys. All right, see you guys on my next video.